to make a difference to help those in need, help those who may not have the opportunity to help themselves, and make a difference in your life and your communities. Our wealth services help you to save money, help you manage it, protect it, and help you grow so that you can create a long-term financial stable life. Tranont is raising the bar, and whether you are a millennial, baby boomer, or just looking to start a home business or improve your lifestyle, Tranont has something for you. Customer commissions, learning tools, and our Jeep for You program helps you experience success. We invite you to be a part of this journey so that you can better your life and the life of others. Anyone can be successful with this system. If you need more information about this, click the link below and your questions will be answered. There has never been a best time to increase your income with the benefits that Tranont has to offer. If not for you, you can help someone in need. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can get more information about this company and its products. The compensation plan for 2021 is one of the best and has no competition. Thank you for watching Isabella's TV, and please subscribe. Thank you.